Other car off in there on the other side of that tree. Klinkman. Investigator Klinkman from our Troopy Barrack Station. And whoever this is. What? 700. Let me zoom no more. Because it wouldn't zoom all the way in. And it was zooming slow. There we go. That zooms in a lot better. I don't see anything down there. It's just a clump of shit. I mean, it could be like right there maybe. And it's covered with snow. But I don't know. Oh, he's driving away now. Report from last night, or I don't know. Huh. No. I'm watching somebody pull somebody out right now down here the road. Yeah, it's a Blazer too. Blazer went off the road. Yeah. Thing is, there's somebody down here with lights and stuff. But you'd think he'd be down here stopping traffic and helping these people out, but he's sitting way down there. I mean, dude, down by the bus garage, and these people are up here by our house. What's that? I don't know. It's still snowing though. We've got what? 3 days of snow now, dude? Constantly just snowing. And it's still snowing. Wesley came and plowed us twice out already. Thank God. Junior got stuck in the driveway at 1:30 last night, out here shoveling them out. Ada got stuck yesterday, so we put the starter in the truck, fired that up. And no, actually, I just put it to the side and got some snow and a low tire, and it broke the bead on one of the rims, so. Yeah, the tire was low, so. My mistake. I'm going to throw the 32s on it probably today. Yeah. Not that I want to, I'd rather have the bite out here, but at least I can mat the trail down. Really? Can't beat that. $10 to plow your driveway out? Hell no. Saves from busting your back. Saves from busting your back, huh? Cool. Well, enjoy your birthday. Cool. What time? Alright, we'll stop by. I got something for you anyways, by the way, so yeah, we'll definitely be there. Alright then. I'll talk to you after work, bud. Alright, Lou. Well, yeah, I'll be here. Stop in. Alright. Alright. Sounds good. Okay. See you. Yeah, sorry about that, guys, talking all on that accident, but it's a friend of mine's birthday, and he just called on his lunch break. He works with Bud 14589 and my son, so I still hang 2 years later. I'm still hanging with the people I used to work with. They're all still concerned about me and still good friends with people from where I used to work and got hurt, and that's great. So, wish I could be there with them, taking a lunch break right now and making more money than what I'm doing. This garbage. Shooting videos out of my son's bedroom window without his permission. Alright, we'll talk to you soon. See you. It's a nice jail. A high top on there. A lot of snow there. Dang. That's a lot of snow on the top of that.